Welcome to my comprehensive review of VerticalResponse, a popular email marketing platform designed to help businesses create and manage effective email campaigns. In this video, I will guide you through the user experience of this SaaS platform and provide a step-by-step look at its features. VerticalResponse is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive email marketing tools, which makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced marketers alike. When you first log into VerticalResponse, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your recent campaigns, including performance metrics such as open rates, click rates, and bounce rates. You can easily track your email campaign's progress, which helps optimize your marketing strategy. One of the standout features of VerticalResponse is its drag-and-drop email builder, which allows you to create professional-looking emails without needing any coding experience. There are plenty of pre-designed templates to choose from, making it easy to get started. You can customize these templates to suit your brand, adjusting colors, fonts, images, and more. In addition to email creation, VerticalResponse offers robust automation capabilities. You can set up automated email workflows to nurture leads and send personalized messages based on user behavior. For example, you can trigger emails based on customer actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. The platform also provides powerful segmentation tools that allow you to target specific groups of customers based on their interests, behaviors, or demographics. This ensures that your emails are reaching the right people, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. VerticalResponse supports A/B testing, enabling you to test different subject lines, content, and calls to action to find what works best for your audience. This feature is essential for optimizing your campaigns and improving your email marketing performance over time. Another helpful feature is the detailed reporting and analytics tools. You can track everything from email opens to click-through rates, helping you measure the success of each campaign and identify areas for improvement. VerticalResponse also integrates with popular CRMs, making it easy to sync your customer data for even more precise targeting. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links will provide additional tools and insights to help you with your email marketing strategy. Overall, VerticalResponse is an excellent email marketing tool that combines ease of use with powerful features. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or you're an experienced marketer looking for an all-in-one solution, VerticalResponse offers the tools you need to create successful campaigns and grow your business. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on digital marketing tools. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to review other platforms.